It's now a Monday morning and we are going to test Alpha 19 Telespot. It's a free binary option robot for pocket option that you also can have completely for free, and we will get more to that. So what we're going to do, we're going to take 5-second trade with Bollinger Band, and we're going to let it take a few trades to see which type of win rate we can get this morning. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Now back to this. You can have it for free. You can have this binary option robot completely for free. You find link about the video at X, a link below the video at YouTube. Works both on cell phone and on desktop. So now let's start up the bot and let's see which type of win rate we can get this Monday morning. So now let's start the bot. He will now start to collect all the information he needs from the chart. Afterward, he will start to collect everything he needs from the strategy that we are using in this video, that is Bollinger Band. But yes, it's also optimized with AI, so I believe it will do pretty darn good. So the first trade is in. That was a win. He's now looking for the second trade. While we wait for the second trade, if you have any question, just leave it below the video. I reply to every question I get in, both on X and YouTube. The second trade is in also. We have 2 winners for now. Amazing, we have a very good start. Third trade in, we have $2,880 profit and 100% win rate. I believe we will need 2 more trades to reach our target. Can we reach 100% this time? I don't know, but looks good for now. So let's see. Also, you helped me out tremendously just by liking this video. It's more fun for me to make this type of videos when I get more people looking these videos, so help me out with that like. Now let's see, we have the last trade, and the last is turning into a loss, looks like. He will then do a martingale. There, cool. And I think that is a good one. There we have it. 5 trades, 1 loss, 83% win rate, $4,752 a Monday morning. That's a good one. So, like I said, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find a link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day.